If Discord is showing error hex C0XC00000E5, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. We're going to clear Discord's cache and local app data, run a system file check, and then do a clean reinstall if needed. This is one of the most effective ways to fix launch errors, crashes, and corrupted app files on Windows. Before we get into it, please hit the like button if this video helps, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is completely close Discord. Don't just click the X in the corner, because Discord often keeps running in the background. Check the system tray near the clock, and make sure Discord is fully closed there too. If it's still running, open Task Manager and end any Discord processes manually. This step is important, because you can't delete the app files properly while Discord is still active. Now, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. In the box, type %appdata% and press Enter. This will open the roaming folder. Look for the Discord folder, right-click it, and delete it. Deleting this folder clears out cached settings and corrupted user data that may be causing the error. Next, press Windows key and R again, and this time type %local_appdata%, then press Enter. In this folder, find the Discord folder again and delete it as well. This removes the local app data, which is another common source of corrupted files that can trigger startup issues. After both folders are deleted, don't worry, Discord will recreate fresh files the next time it installs or launches. Now that the Discord cache and local app data are gone, the next step is to check your Windows system files. Press Windows key +X and open Terminal as administrator or Command Prompt as administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. In the command window, type SFC/scano and press Enter. This command scans protected Windows system files and repairs any missing or damaged files automatically. The scan may take a few minutes, so let it finish completely. While it's running, do not close the window or restart your PC. Once the scan is done, it will tell you whether Windows found and repaired any issues. After that, restart your computer to make sure all fixes are applied properly. If Discord still isn't working after that, the final step is a clean reinstall. First, uninstall Discord from your computer using the regular uninstall process in Windows. Then, go to the official Discord website and download the latest version of the app. Installing the newest version ensures you're getting a clean copy without corrupted files from the previous install. After the download finishes, install Discord again and sign in like normal. In many cases, this fresh install will completely fix error hex C0XC00000E5 because it removes damaged app files and replaces them with clean ones. If the error was caused by corrupted cache, local data, or broken system files, these steps should get Discord working again. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment with the exact error you're seeing, and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.